All right. Hello, friends. It's me, Mrs. McClure. And today we are going to be looking at initial and final consonant sounds and blending those sounds together. Okay? Today we will be blending sounds to read words that start with the f, b, and g sounds. Okay, we're going to review those sounds, and then we're also going to practice putting those sounds together to read words. Okay, so I'm going to start us off with our first sound to get us started. So now what I want you to do is I want you to listen to the words that I'm going to say, repeat the words, and listen for the initial sound that you hear at the beginning of the words. Okay, so let's get started. Fan, foot, fish, fast. What sound do you hear that is the same in my words? Yes, the f sound. What happens to your mouth when you make the f sound? Yeah, the sound is blocked. It's blocked by your teeth, right? The top teeth on the upper teeth right here. Can you feel your upper teeth resting on the bottom lip right here? This is your bottom lip. Can you feel it resting there? Yes. This sound is a blocked consonant sound. And the letter f is a blocked consonant sound, okay? Now look closely. I'm going to put some words on the screen and listen to the word and also look at the word and tell me what letter do you notice is the same in each word. Fan, fish, foot. So what letters do you see at the beginning of fan, fish, foot? Correct. The letter F. The letter F is the blocked consonant sound that makes the f sound, right? Very good. To help us remember the sound that the letter F makes, we're going to look at our sound spelling card. So here is the sound spelling card for the letter F. So every time you see this card, we're going to say F, firefighter. Now go ahead and do that with me. Ready? F, firefighter. Your turn. Now I want you to say it. Very good. This is the letter F, and it makes the f sound. Now we're going to look at our next sound. Okay, now we're going to look at the next sound that we're going to be looking at today. Listen closely. I'm going to say a couple of words, and I want you to listen for the initial sound. Ready? Big, bed, best, bat. What sound do you hear that is the same in big, bed, best, and bat? Yes, the b sound. Now look in the mirror or look at me and think, what happens to your mouth when we say the b sound? Yes, your lips are pressed together. And can you feel them pop open when you make the b sound? Try that. B, b. Yes, this is a blocked consonant sound. The b sound is a blocked sound, and it's a consonant sound. Now, I'm going to show you some words, and I want you to take close attention, pay close attention to what letter is the same in my words. Big, bed, and bat. What letter is the same in all of these words? What's the same letter that you notice? The letter B, correct. So we've got B, big, B, bed, and B, bat. Very good. Now let's look at the sound spelling card that helps us remember the sound that the letter B makes. We have the letter B, uppercase B and lowercase b, and then we have the butterfly, a picture of a butterfly, which is our key word, and the sound. So we always go with the letter name, the keyword, and the sound. So we say B, butterfly, b. Now let's do that together. B, butterfly, b. Very good. Now your turn. Try saying it on your own. B, butterfly, b. Very, very good. Now let's look at our last and final letter for today, and then we're going to look at blending. Okay, so listen closely. I'm going to say a couple of words, and I want you to listen for the sound that you hear that is the same. Ready? Go. Gum. Get. Goat. What sound is the same in the words go, gum, get, and goat? Yes, the g sound. Okay, what happens to your mouth when we say the g sound? Is it a blocked sound or is it an open sound? G. That's right. Can you feel the back of your tongue lift up and block the sound? When you make the sound, do you feel your tongue blocking it? G, g. I do. Yeah. The g sound is a blocked consonant sound. Now I'm going to show you some words, and let's take a look at the letters that are the same in my words. Ready? Go, gum, get. What letter is same in all of these words? Correct. The letter G. G in go, G in gum, and G in get. Now let's look at the sound spelling card that helps us remember the sound for the letter G. So here is our G, and here is our keyword. Our keyword is game. This is a board game. And the sound G. So let's say it. We say G, game, G. Say it with me. G, game, G. Now your turn. Very, very good. Now what we're going to do is we are going to put all these sounds together and we are going to read some words. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to put the letters up, and as we see the letters, we're going to sound them out and stretch out the sounds, and we're going to blend them together and read the words. Okay, so our first letter is the letter B, and we know B says B. Okay, so B. Let's look at that. So what's the first letter? B, and we know that B says B. So as I tap or point to the dots underneath the letters, we're going to say the sounds. We're going to stretch it out. B, ag, b, ag, bag. What is the word that we just read? The word bag. Very good. Let's do another one. What's the first letter in the word? The f sound, the letter F. Very good. So f, I, n. So let's blend those together. Ready? F, in, fin, fin, like a fin on a fish or a fin on a dolphin. Very good. Now the next two pictures, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a picture and we're going to find what the missing letter is in the word, and then we're going to blend it and we're going to read it. Okay? So here is a word and here is a picture. And this is a picture of a fan. So what letter is missing in my word fan? And fan. What letter is missing right here? Correct, the letter F, because we know that the letter F says F. Now let's put those sounds together to make a word. F and fan. Very good. Let's do another one. This one has two letters that are missing. What is the picture? The picture is a picture of a bag. So we're going to tap our boxes as we sound it out. Ready? B, ag, b, ag, b. What is the first letter that's missing in the word bag? The B sound, right? And that is the letter B. Very good. B, ag. What's the final letter that's missing? The letter G. And put those sounds together. B, ag, bag. Very, very good. Now we are going to do some independent practice time. Okay, so we're going to look at this page right here, and this is going to be assigned to you in Seesaw. And what you have to do is you have to read the word and match it to the picture. So you will draw a line to the picture. So take some time to complete this activity. You may pause the video and work on it, and when you're done, we'll come back and we'll check it. All right, welcome back. Now that we've completed the activity, let's go through our answers. So the first picture is a picture of a fan, right? But let's look at the word. What is the first word here? Bat. B-at. So you should have drawn a picture. Oh, let's look at the first picture. Sorry. The picture is fan. Okay, fan. Okay. So you should have drawn the picture, a line from the fan to the last word down here where it says fan. Okay. The next one is bat. B-at. You should have drawn a picture from the bat to the baseball bat. And the last word is bag. Very good. So this is what yours should look like. All right, and down here at the bottom it says write the letter F, B, or G to complete the words. Then read the sentence. So let's look at what we should have put. It says, can it blank in the blank blank, right? So the first word should have been, can it fit in the big bin? And these are the answers. This is what you should have put on your activity, okay? All right, great job. Now remember, consonant sounds like the f, b, and g are all blocked sounds by our tongue, our teeth, or our lips. We can find those sounds at the beginning and the end of words. When we put those sounds together, we can read new words. Great job today.